Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to create bootable USB for Debian 9.8. So click on here to download, and it start to download, so I will cancel because I have already download. And then I will use Rufus to create bootable USB, so just click here to download. Okay, now let's format the USB flash. This is my USB flash. Okay, it is empty. You can format, right click, format, and OK, and it start to format. And then let's open Rufus, and format is done. This is Rufus. Let's open, and then here this is your USB flash. Choose, and then choose the ISO image. So Debian 9.8 and launch. OK, and it starts to create bootable USB, so you can take a coffee until it finish. Okay, the USB is ready now, so we can check. And this is Debian 9.8. So this is how to create a bootable USB for Debian 9.8. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. Goodbye.